Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to get a Grok API key. Let's dive right in. Maybe you're developing an app or setting up a new workflow and need to integrate Grok. For this, you'll need an API key from the XAI Cloud Console. By the end of this video, you'll not only have your own API key, but you'll also understand how to keep it secure, ensuring that your integrations run smoothly without any hiccups. To get started, open your web browser. Now, instead of trying to remember a complex URL, the easiest way is to go to Google. Once there, type console.exe into the search bar. If you're confident, you can enter this directly into the address bar as well. When the search results appear, look for the official XAI Cloud Console link. It should be the top result. Make sure you're on the correct site by checking for the secure lock icon next to the URL and verifying the domain. If you haven't signed in yet, you'll need to log in using your XAI account credentials. Once logged in, ensure you're in the right workspace or team to proceed. On the console's main page, focus your attention on the left-hand navigation panel. Here, you will find an option labeled API Keys. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the section where all your API keys reside. This is also where you can create new keys for various projects or environments. Now, locate the Create API Key button and click on it. You'll see a simple form asking for an API name. It's essential to provide a name that's easily recognizable. For example, you might name it Initial Test API for testing purposes, or use something specific like Mobile App Backend or Prod Data Pipeline for more clarity. Avoid using sensitive information in your key names. If there are additional options available, such as selecting a team or adding a description, fill them out according to your organizational needs. Consistent naming conventions can simplify future key management and rotation. Once you're satisfied with the details, click Create API Key to generate your key. Here's a crucial part. The console will display your new API key, but typically only once. It is vital to copy this key immediately and store it securely. Consider using a password manager or an encrypted secrets vault. Treat this key as you would a password. Do not share it publicly, paste it into screenshots, or commit it to any source control systems. Instead, use environment variables or a secure secrets manager in your application code to handle it. If at any point you suspect that your key has been compromised, you can return to the API Keys page in the console to rotate or revoke the key as needed. This proactive step will protect your application from unauthorized access. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated to the XAI Cloud Console, created a new API key, and learned how to keep it safe. With your key ready and securely stored, you're all set to authenticate your requests to Grok and start building incredible things. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to get a Grok API key. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe PMN Online so you never miss an update.